Michigan families are right to be concerned about big tech's giant data centers. They consume massive amounts of electricity, enough to power entire towns, driving up everyone's energy costs. They rely on polluting backup generators and strain our grid. And the constant noise disrupts sleep and health in our communities. But we don't have to accept corporate monopolies that pollute our air, raise our bills, and concentrate dangerous power in the hands of a few. My Mid-Michigan Internet Bill of Rights offers the real solution. Replace these massive centralized data centers with decentralized mini data centers in our own homes and garages. Here's how it works. Advanced air beam cooling and Energy 3 quantum energy generators, ready by the end of 2026, provide unlimited, clean, on-site power with zero pollution and zero draw on the public grid. No more noise pollution for neighbors. No more higher utility rates for families. Instead, you earn universal high income. $1,000 to $1,500 monthly from data royalties, plus $3,700 to $16,200 plus net per month from hosting compute out of your garage. This is people-powered progress. We reclassify big tech platforms and large data centers as public utilities and prioritize decentralized nodes that put wealth and control back in your hands. Your personal AI becomes your advocate, knowing your family's real needs and fighting for policies that actually benefit you. We start with a pilot right here in the 35th District, Bay, Midland, and Saginaw, creating local jobs and real solutions. I'm Chadwick Twillman. Vote for the only candidate with a complete plan to protect our communities while delivering prosperity. Own your data, own your power, own your future. Join the movement today.